morning, Teal Travelers, and welcome back to the Teal Travel YouTube channel. In our last video, we went exploring around Jasper National Park by lake and by sky, but in this video, we are planning on taking it a little bit easier and enjoying a full day right here at Jasper Park Lodge. We still have so many beautiful views and so much planned for you, but before we jump into that, I just want to say thank you so much to the Jasper Tourism Board and to Fairmont Jasper Park Lodge for hosting us here in one of their lakefront suites. There is absolutely nothing like waking up to these beautiful lake and mountain views and knowing that we have a whole day of relaxing ahead of us. Our suite here has a separate sleeping and living area, which is our absolute favorite thing when it comes to just getting away from the city and still having the space that we need to spread out and just live that home away from home life. As beautiful as this room is though, there's still so much going on outside, so hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's just get this day started with some spa action. Okay, so we just finished our forest therapy treatments at the spa. How are you feeling?
Wonderful.
I too am feeling wonderful. We were able to choose in our treatment whether or not we left feeling relaxed and rejuvenated, balanced, energized. So now we are continuing our treatment out for a nature walk, just embracing the views before we head over and pick up our champagne picnic. So I can't wait to share with you even more beauty, all the beauty that this property has in store for you. I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's just do it. Okay, so we have picked up our champagne picnic and got cleaned up a little bit, if you couldn't tell. And yeah, we had an amazing day here at the Fairmont Jasper Park Lodge, did a little bit of outdoor exploring, a little bit of spa, a little bit of everything really, and even got out and explored the golf course a little bit. So yeah, all in all, just a really busy but relaxing and amazing day. And the weather shaped up to be perfect as well. So I am just going to leave you guys here for today. If you've not already hit that like and subscribe button, definitely go ahead and do that now. And until I see you in my next video where we continue to explore beautiful Jasper National Park, stay great, travel safe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.